Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Maximize. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix age protection on TikTok. Open the TikTok app in your cell phone. Now tap on Profile on the bottom right. Now tap on the menu on the top right. Select Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Content Preferences. Here you can see the restricted mode is turned off. Tap on it. Now turn on the restriction mode. Now set a passcode for restriction mode. And it's done. Now your TikTok videos have been restricted. Now if you want to turn off, repeat the same process again and turn off the restriction mode. See? Easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.